to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of like an update slash maybe part 2 of a video that I did about 6 months ago, which was a day in the life with a newborn. In that video, I partnered with LG. So this is the LG V60 with dual screen, and it seriously is the coolest phone. It has the 2 screens, which is amazing. With my first partnership with them, I did like day in the life with a newborn. I had a little tiny baby. Now I have an 8-month-old. My day definitely looks different, and especially with things right now, we are spending a lot of time at home. So it is currently 7:24 a.m. I feel like I've started off so many videos like this, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna clean up my house in the morning, but this is just what we do. Cove usually wakes up around 7:30. As you can see, we have not a huge mess. If I can just take 5 minutes to like get it picked up, my day starts off so much better.
Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do.
Did you just eat breakfast? Yeah. We're just hanging out in our room. Luma, good morning. I usually like to kind of separate our day in chunks of time. Cove usually, like I said, wakes up anytime between like 7 and 7:30. When she wakes up until about 8 o'clock, we'll usually just hang out in our room. I feed her, she gets her diaper changed, we kind of just hang out and do family time. And then when it's about 8 o'clock, I like to go and get a workout. Since we've been home more, we set up a little like home gym down in our basement, and we'll usually be down there from like about 8 to 9. So I kind of like to have chunks of time set and dedicated to like certain things, as you guys will see throughout the day. I feel like that's the easiest way with a baby to like organize my time and be the most productive. So right now it is 8 and we're gonna go downstairs. We usually will grab her a little blanket to sit on and some toys.
There's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? There's all that I can do. Tell me that you won't.
All right, so we are done with our workout. My arms are literally like already shaking. After we work out, we usually work out from like 8 to 9-ish, and then do breakfast and family time from 9 to 10. Parker's over here cutting Cove up some banana, and I'm gonna make us some oatmeal. If you guys watch my vlog channel, I talked about how we just got these like smock bib things because she was always such a mess when she eats. We usually will still take her little clothes off for her to eat and then put this on her, and she stays way more clean.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back.
All right, so Kobe is about done. We just finished with our breakfast. This is what it looks like when she is done. Floor is always super dirty. Her high chair, this is actually like pretty clean.
Yeah, it is
compared
kinda
to
clean.
other times. Is it good?
Oh, now it's all over her legs.
Oh, you found some in your bib? Oh, I think we'll get her out and rinse her off in the sink, and then I'll take her upstairs, get her dressed, change her diaper, and put her down for a nap, and Parker will clean up this mess.
You could love someone like me. You climb my tower and you said
She just discovered her sound machine. You having fun with that? Let's read some books and take a nap. We also always want to take the pillows and stuff out of the crib, make it extra safe. She has a lot of binkies that she sleeps with. They usually end up on the floor somehow. I don't know if they fall out or if she throws them out. And she has her little sleep sack that she sleeps in. So this is safe for her instead of like a blanket that could go over her face. I'm gonna let her pick out a book and we're gonna read.
I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient
Cozy
and love
blinds.
you for that.
I love you. Sleep so good, okay? Okay, so now it is 10:05. Cove usually naps from 10 to 11:30. In the morning, I have about an hour and a half to shower, get ready, and then do any kind of like quick work stuff I can do. Hop into the shower because I gotta make this time very useful and productive.
Been away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like
Okay, so it's currently 11:20. I just finished doing my makeup. I don't have time to do my hair before she wakes up, but I don't really need to because I can just let it air dry and then I can curl it when she goes down for her second nap. I actually was just looking at her on her baby monitor and she's moving around a little bit, so I think she's already awake, but she's not fussing yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of finish up some emails. But something I like about this phone is you can set the second screen to automatically have a certain app up. So something I am using all the time is my calendar. I just have this automatically pulled up on here, and it's nice because I can just like see my day and my month and my week and everything planned out. Guys, this lighting, 1 second it's way too bright and 1 second it's way too dark, but Parker just went and got Cope up. I finished a couple emails, so we're gonna go see what they're doing. I just got out a bunch of her toys so you guys can see what she currently plays with. I wanted to have stuff for her that was kind of like things she could do versus like these little toys that she still likes to play with, but like all you can do is kind of just like shake that. And obviously she's too little to like really be able to do this puzzle and stuff like that, or like stack these rings back up, but she will learn. I also just got her these little stacking cups. We'll flip these over and stack them up, and then she can like take them apart and knock them down. She also loves these ribbons, and I stuck them in this cashew can, and then she can like take these out and put those back, so that will usually keep her entertained for quite a while. So we're just gonna play and maybe Dad will fix us lunch. Okay, so now that we are done with lunch, I want to do a fun little activity with her before she goes down for her second nap. Usually Pinterest is my go-to for finding things to do. So I just found this fun little ball activity for her. Just put the balls in the muffin tin, and then I'm going to take my tape and just like tape them all down. We're going to do a mommy, baby, fun activity, huh sis? Are you helping me get the tape? It's currently 1:34. And she goes down for a nap between like 2 and 2:30. I'm gonna try and aim for closer to 2 today because I just have a lot of stuff that I need to get done. All right, this one might have been a little bit of a fail. She's not loving it. She's played with it for like 2 seconds and then she just keeps trying to eat the tape. We're gonna try another one that I saw on Pinterest, which is Post-it note wall. You're over it already? Amazing. 30 seconds later, she's over it. Oh, we don't eat that. We don't eat it. Oh, maybe I could do that. Let's put a few on the ground. Maybe Dad will do it.
Go.
You like that?
Nice.
Oh, no eating.
I love you.
Okay, so it is now 2:40 p.m. Cove went down for a nap at about 2. Parker kind of got her down for her nap while I was curling my hair. And then I was prepping all of this stuff to shoot. Usually on shoot days, I have a bunch of stuff from my clothing store that we need to shoot. So I have these 5 outfits. And we actually are going to be shooting everything on this LG dual screen phone. It has manual camera mode, which is amazing because when we do shoot on a camera, we like do all the manual settings. So you can change like the shutter speed, the focus, the ISO. I kind of like to edit as I go, like in between outfits and stuff, just to make sure that I'm getting the shots that I need. So I have Lightroom pulled up over here. This is where I edit all of my photos and stuff. I'm gonna bring Parker in here. We're gonna shoot, and hopefully we should be able to get everything done because 5 pieces isn't too many, but we have about an hour and a half until Cope wakes up.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing
8:45. Parker just made dinner because I have been working, so he made some soup that looks really good. Kobe's over here. She has her own bowl of soup. The afternoons are always a little bit crazy on my filming day because I always think I can get everything done during her nap, and then I can't. I'm gonna eat my soup. This is such a good soup. It's like lemon orzo chickpea soup, and it's super easy to make, so I'll link the recipe down below. But we're gonna eat and then go to the park.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean.
Hi, Baby J. You got some toys at the park. We usually like to come out to the park for like 20-30 minutes at night, just get some fresh air. This phone also has a Steadicam setting, so I'm gonna give it to Parker and have him get a cute little video of Luma running around.
Daisies keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
Alright, so it is bedtime. I'm putting her to bed tonight. I'm gonna read her a couple books. It's like 8 o'clock. That's pretty late. It's pretty late past your bedtime, huh? Hopefully that'll make you sleep in though. Good night. I love you.
Okay, so it is currently 8:34 p.m. I've been editing a video for the past like half an hour probably. Parker got Kobe in bed. That is going to be it for this video. This is a day in my life with a baby. I want to say thank you again to LG for sponsoring this video. So I am going to have the LG V60 with dual screen linked down below for you guys. It is out now. Thank you guys for watching. You can let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next on my channel. That is it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.